Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program using C programming language that will ask the user to give a number, and then our program will determine whether the given number is a prime number or not. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my viewers, supporters, subscribers to my channel. Thank you for your support by watching, commenting, and most importantly in watching my videos. So let's get started. I'm using Div C++ as my integrated development environment in writing this program, where you can write both C and C++ program. So we have here shop include stdio.h. It is a library file for input-output in C language. Line number 3 and main. It is a starting and ending point of every C program. Left curly bracket, line number 4, and then line number 5 we have 4 variables: integer a, I, and flag, which has all integer format. 7, line number 7, new line, printf to new line, and then 89, line number 89, we are asking the user to give a number. Line number 11, new line, and then we initialize the variable flag to 0. In this portion, we have a looping statement to check whether the number is a prime number or not. For I equals 2, I less than or equals a, divide by 2, increment. If I modulo a modulus I equals 0, flag is 1, break, and then we have close here, and then we have here if else statement in C. If flag equals 0 means that it is a prime number if it is true, else if it is false it is not a prime number, and end of program, and then return to our operating system, and then we close our program here. I will put a link in the video description guys so that you can download the complete source code for free. So let us compile and run our code. Give a number, let's say 3. The given number 3 is a prime number, and a program. Another example, 6. The given number 6 is not a prime number. Okay, last example, we have 11. The given number 11 is a prime number, and a program. So this is the end of our tutorial video on prime number in C programming language. Thank you very much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next tutorial video guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.